Megan a dwi.
Pronoun da, Ceili ydw i.
Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg.
O'n i'n siarad o'r camp dyn nhw, a oedd un o'n Ceili danfon oedd i neges yn gweud, oh, I want to learn Welsh, how can we make this happen, I want to make it exciting.
It's something that I've always wanted to do. Obviously, being in school, you don't pay attention to it. It's not something that you're focused on. But as I've got older, and my niece and nephew's first language is Welsh, so I think listening to them and listening to some of the girls, I think it's important.
I think it was quite important to the squad that as many of us would be involved as possible, and I was interested in doing that. It's nice that there's more of the English speakers in the team want to get onto the level of the Welsh speakers, which can only benefit the team and hopefully engage more of the Welsh supporters.
Jane ydw i, fi'r boss. The girls understand how important our own language is to our country, but the majority of our girls would have grown up in an English-speaking environment, so they haven't actually had the opportunity to pursue that. So we're providing that when they do come onto camp.
Mae dyn ni het, so ar diwedd pob camp, mae pwyna sydd wedi cael mwy o pwyntiau yn cael y het.
I suppose it's like the trophy of the week. I won it last camp, so I got the privilege of wearing the hat, but this camp I might have to give it away if someone beats me.
We use different apps to try and help us while we're away from camp, which is interesting, the things they focus on and what we find out. Apparently, I think Welsh people like a lot of sausages and bread. It's Celsig a bara. There you go, I'm good on that level.
A mae'n really funny fel lli cerdded lawr trwy'r gwesti weithiau. Fi'n clywed nhw'n gwyddi mas o stafello, fel clywed yr app Duolingo mynd beep y pethau ffordd na.
So you can use ding, ding, ding.
Ti'n gwybod, maen nhw'n gweithio'n galed yma.
For me, it's not about leaderboard, it's about learning Welsh. I'm a bit different to the rest. Obviously, some of the girls are battling for the leaderboard. For me, it's about learning. It's not about getting on the leaderboard and being top.
My cousins as well are Welsh speaking, so I'm trying to speak to those guys and try and get more practice in with them, because the hardest thing is reading it. Like, I can see the words and things like that, but actually pronouncing certain things. And Haz has been really good, Angharad. She helps me a lot, and we send voice notes and stuff like that.
Mae rai nhw wedi gweud, maen nhw'n moyn neud cyfweliadau llawn y Cymraeg erbyn diwedd yr ymgyrch hyn. So fydden nhw just llain y flwyddyn i cario ymlaen at datblygu hwnna. A hefyd, pobl sy'n dysgu, sy'n felly cefnogi'r tîmydd Cymru, yw i treol neud nhw'n meddwl, so'n merched un allu wneud. Pam so fi'n cael go ato dilyn nhw ar y taith wedyn?
Dwi'n hoffi pêl-droed.
Bore da, pronoun da, sut o'i ti?
Kutch is my favourite one.
I'm walking around thinking, Celsig a bara. We need to get on to football terms. Needs to include move, quicker, things like that for football. But no, we haven't got to that point yet.